In this video, I'll show you how to set a limit order on Uniswap. A limit order on Uniswap is different from a normal swap. With a regular swap, the trade happens immediately at the current market price. But with a limit order, you choose the price you want. And the order stays open until it gets filled, expires, or you cancel it. Uniswap's support guide explains that limit orders are created through the Uniswap web app, and as of February 2026, they are available only on Ethereum Mainnet through the UniswapX network. To get started, open the Uniswap web app and connect your wallet. Then select Limit instead of the normal swap option. After that, choose the token you want to pay with, and then choose the token you want to receive. Uniswap says you can search by token name or by contract address. And using the contract address is often the safer option when there are multiple similar tokens. Next, enter the amount you want to trade, then set the price for your limit order. This is the price level where you want the trade to happen. Uniswap explains that the order will remain open until a third-party filler can match your order at that price, unless you cancel it or the order expires first. One important thing to know is that Uniswap will not let you submit a limit order that buys above the current market price or sells below the current market price. Their support page says this is meant to protect users, because in those cases, a normal swap would usually give a better result. Uniswap also says there is no slippage on limit orders in the web app, because the order only executes if a filler can match the specific agreement you set. Before confirming, review the tokens, amount, and target price carefully. Then approve the token if approval is required and confirm the order in your wallet. After that, you can monitor your order by opening the wallet icon or by going to Portfolio and checking your activity. Uniswap's help pages say you can view open, completed, canceled, and expired limit orders there, and you can also cancel open orders from the activity section if needed. One more important tip: your wallet must still hold the tokens needed for the trade when the order is ready to execute. Uniswap says if the balance is no longer there, the order will not fill. So avoid moving those tokens out of your wallet while the order is still open. So the basic process is simple. Open the Uniswap web app, connect your wallet, choose limit, select your token pair, set your amount and price, review the order, and confirm it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.